Hi everyone, Shahrul here from Superboys TV. Welcome back to our channel. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and initial impression of the brand new Gaultier Le Male Le Parfum. So first, let's unbox the perfume. Okay guys, now without further ado, let's unbox, or rather uncan the perfume itself. Before we do that, let's take a look at the can. It's a very nice metallic black can with gold finishing for the font. Gaultier Le Male Le Parfum. And at the bottom, nothing much. This is the 75 ml bottle. As you can see, you have the batch code there. So let's open it up. Okay, there you go. So this is the bottle itself. Very nice looking. Botol dia typical Le Male punya bottle, the same shape as Le Male and Ultra Male. But very nice matte black color with metallic black striping and very nice gold finish for the sprayer. So let's test the perfume and I'll give my initial thoughts on it. Okay, now that we have unboxed the perfume, let's give it a test. Aku sebenarnya dah try pun tadi, but I'm doing it for the sake of this video. So kita cabut pin dia dulu. That's off now. So let's test the atomizer. As you guys can see, the atomizer is very good and it's pressurized, so you can choose how much you want to spray. So aku dah spray sikit kat tangan aku tadi. I love it. It's a very good strong. I can describe it as very masculine and very intense. It has aromatic and sweet smell. It's very spicy and strong, the opening. It kind of reminds me of the famed Pakoraban 1 million, but it's a bit darker, I would say. Now let's get into the notes breakdown. So the top notes of this perfume is cardamom, buah pelaga. So it gives off a very spicy aromatic vibe, and then when it dries down a bit, the mid note you get is lavender and iris, so it becomes kind of floral and powdery and also a bit woody. And then when it dries down, the base note you get is vanilla, so it becomes a bit sweet. So you know, my thought of it is it's very pretty dark, pretty complex, and has its own character, which makes it a bit different than the original Le Male or the flanker Ultra Male. So it has its own character, a bit darker, a bit mature. Now performance wise, masa aku beli tadi, aku dah try tester, and that was about 6-7 hours ago, and I can still smell it on my wrist. It's skin scent now, so you get that vanilla sweetness, but I suppose in terms of longevity it's pretty good. 6-7 hours ago and you can still smell it. In terms of projection, I would say it's pretty good. You can smell it from about a meter apart, maybe. And in terms of versatility, this is the most important part actually. It's not as versatile as Le Male, because the original Le Male is a bit fresher, so to speak, so you can wear it for daytime activities as well. but this one, it has a very aromatic, sweet smell, so I don't really think it is suitable for office wear or, you know, for daytime activities. It's more suitable for nights out, date nights, or clubbing if you go to clubs. Kind of like the Ultra Male, but it is a bit more versatile than Ultra Male, because Ultra Male tu memang very sweet clubbing fragrance that you don't really wear for other occasions really, but this one is a bit more versatile. So having said all that, my initial impression of the perfume is that it is very good. It is a worthy successor to the original Le Male, which came out about 20 odd years ago. It's a very good flanker. In fact, as a matter of personal opinion, I personally prefer the Le Male Le Parfum over the Ultra Male. Even though I really love the Ultra Male, it's very sweet, it has that apple, vanilla sweetness to it, but this one, as I said before, is a bit more mature, a bit darker, has a bit more character to it than the Ultra Male. So my initial impression of it, I love it, and I'm gonna be using it quite often. So that's all we have for today. Now, if you like the video, don't forget to press like and leave your comments down below, and don't forget to share and subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned to Superboys TV. We'll have more contents for you guys. I'll see you guys all later. Peace out.